How to fix WhatsApp notification problem in iPhone. Open your WhatsApp in your iPhone. Then tap on Settings icon. Then tap on Notifications. Then scroll down. Then tap on Reset Notification Settings. Then tap on Reset again. Then go back to Home screen and open your iPhone settings. Scroll down and tap to open apps in this setting here. Then find out WhatsApp and open. Then tap on Notifications. Then allow notification. Done. So, your WhatsApp notification problem is resolved. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.